What mole is to a molecule is what a crate of egg is to an egg. A mole is a unit of measurement. Are you among the students that confuse molecules with moles? If you are, watch this video till the end. I am going to explain the difference between molecule and mole. A molecule of a substance is the tiniest unit of that substance, which can exist alone and still retain the properties of that substance. For instance, water. This water you are seeing is made up of tiny things that are identical, that your eyes cannot see. Each of them contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, as recorded in the molecular formula H2O. That is water molecule. But this tiny bit of water, when you separate it from this water, it will still have all the characteristics of water. Boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius, colorless, tasteless, odorless, neutral to litmus paper, and so on and so forth. And that is why it is called a molecule of water. So molecule is the tiniest, smallest bit of a substance which can exist alone and still retain the properties of that substance. Not all substances are composed of molecules. Some substances are composed of atoms, and atoms are tiniest bit of a substance that cannot stay alone because it is highly unstable. But that is a lecture for another day. What mole is to a molecule is what a crate of egg is to an egg. A mole is a unit of measurement, just like a dozen or a crate of egg is a unit of measurement of egg. Crate of egg is composed of 30 eggs. So 30 eggs is a unit of measurement, a crate. A mole is a unit of measurement which comprises of 6.022 times 10 raised to power 23 particles, in this case molecules. For instance, 1 mole of water is equal to 6.022 times 10 raised to power 23 molecules of water. This number is known as the Avogadro's constant or Avogadro's number. It is the experimentally determined number of molecules or atoms or ions present in 1 mole. Therefore, 1 mole of a substance is a unit of measurement of amount of that substance. And the amount of any substance, if it is molecular, contains 6.022 times 10 raised to power 23 molecules. I hope you got the difference. A molecule is the smallest bit of a substance that can retain the characteristics of that substance. A mole of a substance is composed of Avogadro's number of molecules of that substance.